If you're stuck watching your side hustle crawl along, this is for you. I'll show you how to turn side hustles into real income streams fast in 2026. Even if you have no extra time this week. Ready? Let's build momentum now. Today I'm giving you actionable steps to scale your side income without quitting your day job or burning out. We'll move fast, keep it simple, and stack wins. Let's dive in. Step 1. Pick hustles that can grow. Freelance services, digital products, and online marketplaces are winners. Freelance, package outcomes, not hours, logo design, copy, video editing, bookkeeping. Digital products, templates, mini courses, ebooks, build once, sell repeatedly. Marketplaces, Etsy, Gumroad, Fiverr, Upwork, Amazon KDP, leverage built-in demand. Track which hustle gives the highest income per hour, that's your scaling target. Example, editing earns $60 in 1 hour, printables earn $200 in 2 hours. Scale printables. Add data, conversion rate and average order value make winners obvious. Maya freelance thumbnails, her Notion pack beat hourly work 3x per hour. She doubled down. She posted demos, linked to store, and batched updates. Sales rolled in weekly, repeatable products unlock compounding time. Freelance, 3-tier packages with clear outcomes. Digital, swipe files, presets, calculators, marketplaces, niche down, optimize titles, collect reviews. Action, list 3 hustles, log time versus revenue for 1 week, circle the top earner per hour. That circled hustle is your scaling target. Automate emails, scheduling, and delivery. Outsource repetitive tasks. Think like a CEO. Set a 3-email sequence, welcome, value, offer, triggered automatically. Use calendar links with buffers, no back and forth. Hire a VA for research, posting, or edits. Start with a 5-hour test project. Record SOPs, 1-page checklist, Loom video, examples. Simpler wins. Build a feedback loop. 1 improvement per cycle compounds quality. Your system should work when you sleep. Payments, delivery, onboarding. Connect checkout to auto delivery. Add a thank you upsell. Automations, forms log leads, send emails, alert you, hands off. Devon batch content twice a month and automated client intake. Cut admin time by 70%. Pro tip, build a system that works while you sleep. Measure hours saved. Reinvest into creation and acquisition. Action, set up email sequence, link calendar, document 1 SOP, post a microtask to hire a VA, $50 test project. Automate 1 delivery today. Momentum compounds overnight. Don't rely on one hustle. Layer streams strategically for resilient growth. Freelance plus digital product plus mini e-commerce is a proven trio, or coaching with YouTube and affiliate marketing. Audience fuels all 3. 1 client 5x'd income in 12 months by layering offers and content. Q1, service. Q2, productized. Q3, course. Q4, affiliate. Each fed the next. The flywheel, audience, sales, reinvest, more audience. Designer, sell templates, offer 1 VIP day, teach a mini workshop. Fitness coach, 1.1 slots, group program, affiliate equipment. Developer, freelance sprints, boilerplate license, tutorial channel. Add streams only after the prior one runs smoothly. Rule, sustain quality, track KPIs, then layer the next. Theme days, Mon creation, Wed delivery, Fry growth. Action, choose 3 streams, core, productized, and audience-driven. Make the core feed the others, reuse assets across streams. Start simple, add leverage later. Charge your worth. Small pricing tweaks can dramatically boost income. Add premium tiers with faster delivery or extra value. Anchor value. Show the full ladder so mid-tier feels like a win. Test pricing every 30 days. Track revenue per visitor, not just conversion. Increase perceived value. Bundles, bonuses, guarantees. Kill objections, clearer outcomes, social proof, fast onboarding. Nia added a VIP day. 15% of clients upgraded, profit jumped 35%. She raised base price 10% after 10 sales. No dip in bookings. Action, set 3 tiers, add 1 bonus, schedule a 30-day price review. Lead with value. Let price reflect outcomes. Treat your hustle like a business. Systems, KPIs, and reinvestment drive compounding. Track leading metrics weekly. Small levers, big outcomes. Reinvest profits into growth, tools, team, and distribution. Small wins compound. One better headline, one new automation, one outreach daily. Plan in 30, 90, and 365-day blocks. Review and refine. Say no to distractions. One main goal per season. Build habits that survive low motivation days. Surround yourself with builders. Borrow momentum from community. Long-term focus beats hacks. Keep stacking leverage. Your future self will thank you for today's discipline. This week, pick your highest scale potential hustle. Automate one task, email, scheduling, or delivery. Plan 3 layered income streams. Test 1 pricing adjustment. Track results daily. 10-minute review. Book 2 focus blocks this week. Protect the time. Reward completion, not perfection. Momentum over motivation. Move now. Start taking action today. Comment below, which hustle will you scale first? Subscribe to Money Booster for weekly strategies and sign up for our newsletter. Join our community every Tuesday and Friday at 4:30 p.m. Dubai time. Next up, deeper dives on automation, offers, and audience growth. Keep experimenting. There are always more strategies to discover as you grow. I'll see you in the next one. Links below to get started fast. You've got this.